Alright, welcome back to Vivid Racing. Today we are unboxing this set of BC Racing BR Series coilovers, and the goal of this video is to show you exactly what to expect and what you're gonna get in this box when it shows up on your front porch so you can get right to throwing these on your car. Because let's be real, your car's been sitting for 6 months, it's collecting dust, it's making everything else dirty. Let's get this open so we can show you what's in here. The link's in the description. Let's party. So BC Racing makes a handful of different series of coilovers, the BR series being their more entry-level, budget-friendly stuff. And you can get a set of these for around $1,000. So really good pricing. How am I gonna get this out? There we go. Okay, now we got the box within a box out. Let's actually look inside. So yes, obviously the BR series are definitely the more budget version of coilovers, and you can get a whole set of these for around $1,000. But don't let the price point of these fool you. You're gonna get a really high quality, fully rebuildable set of coilovers that are great for daily driving, but are also like trackable on the weekends. Now, if you're gonna put these on your full-blown race car, I'd probably wanna consider going to their higher end stuff. But if this is like a daily or just a fun weekend car, you're not gonna have any problems with these. First and foremost, this is pretty well packaged. A lot of stuff in here to keep things from moving around, so I think it's pretty safe to say your package will arrive in one piece. So this specific kit is for the RZ34 Nissan Z, so that's the new Z, 400Z, whatever you want to call it. The new Z does not run true coils in the rear, so it has a bucket for the spring, and then the shock absorber is on its own. But everything else is the same. We'll show you the fronts, I'll show you the rears just to show you, but depending on the car, you'll get different variants of this, but this specific kit is for the new Nissan Z. Let's get started. So right off the top, we got some literature. We got ourselves a BC Racing sticker. Pretty cool guy there. And this is the warranty card. Definitely want to keep this available because they do have a really good 1-year manufacturer warranty. So definitely keep that available. This shows off all the different series of coilovers that BC makes. You got the BR series, DS, RM, ER, HM, and ZR series being their top of the line dog. A little marketing jibber jabber. It looks like we have some installation guides, some disclaimer things. Okay, how to adjust ride height, all that good stuff. So you got some instructions here. So that's really cool. So here are your spanner wrenches. These are included with the BR series. These are very valuable to have if you have coils. It allows you to adjust them. These are the wrenches you use to twist things, tighten things. Say you've previously shopped used parts, you're likely not gonna just come with spanner wrenches. So this is a huge proponent to buying brand new, especially with something like suspension. Something that gets used hard is that you're gonna get the things like spanner wrenches. You're gonna get the warranty. So here are one of the fronts. It's pretty standard. You're gonna have your fixed hat, but this is where your adjustability comes in. You get 30 levels of adjustment here. And this all happens without adjusting the preload on the spring. So that's the coilover right there. I gotta say, they did package this nice and neat. There is nothing in here would give me a red flag. Like they're gonna ship across the country somewhere. So that's always definitely something being aware of when you're ordering car parts. We've all seen how bad shipping handlers are. Okay, yeah, here's the shocks. Okay, so that empties the box. Let's take a look here. Okay, so here is everything unboxed. Now, obviously, this is for the Nissan Z, so it's gonna look slightly different than what other applications may be. Like I said, the Z doesn't run true coils on the rear, so we've got these independently mounted springs and shocks. But that's what's so cool about this BR series from BC Racing is that they make this for such a wide variety of platforms. Every car you would want it made for, they essentially do. When I was looking up fitments, there wasn't anything I saw that was like, oh, they don't make it for this car. I mean, I think there was more cars that I was surprised they did make it for than not. I mean, I saw the MR2, I saw Mustangs of all varieties, Corvettes of all varieties, Miatas, Civics, obviously a lot of Nissan stuff, Supra. They really do make it all. But we do have this true coilover for the front here. This has got everything on it. So we have our top hat here with our 30 levels of adjustment on this little knob here to go from soft to hard. We got lots of opportunity for ride height adjustment. These springs come preloaded, so you don't have to worry about that. And what I think is really cool about these and the true hidden value of the BR series coilovers is that these are fully rebuildable and BC supports you in that. So say one of these parts on this entire coilover break, BC does sell replacement parts. You have a really good 1-year manufacturer warranty. You get the tools needed for adjustment. You get awesome flexibility with ride adjustment without adjusting the preload And all of this is fantastic, but having that fully rebuildable option is amazing. If something were to break, you don't have to go out and buy a whole new set of coilovers. You can simply buy replacement parts. And as somebody who works on their own car, I freaking love that. It allows me to buy a set of coilovers knowing that these are gonna last me a long time. I'm gonna get great daily drivability, gonna get some serious weekend use out of it if I wanna go to the track. And if something were to break, well, one, I've got a 1-year warranty from the manufacturer, but number two, I can rebuild it. In case something does happen, I have the option to fix it myself without having to spend a ton of money. Now, obviously, $1,000 for the whole set, very affordable, but it allows you to spend $100 or $200 and a little bit of time on the weekend to fix it versus spending another $1,000 that you weren't expecting to pay. It just gives that weekend hobbyist the opportunity to work on their car and fix stuff on their own car without having to spend an arm and a leg. And lastly, BC has teamed up with Swift. So on any of their coilovers, you can upgrade these BC springs to Swift springs. The upgrade does cost a little bit more, but it's extremely reasonable and you get more performance out of these extremely budget-friendly coilovers once again. So it's just value on top of value on top of value with these things. And I'm a huge fan of the BR series. You're gonna get great daily drivability. You're gonna get some of that weekend performance if you wanna take it to the track. It's fully rebuildable if anything fails. And you can upgrade to Swift springs directly from BC. So that about covers it. You get your coils, you get your spanner wrenches, you get some stickers, warranty information. It comes with everything you would need. But there it is. There's the full unboxing and everything you need to know about the BC Racing BR Series coilovers. I mean, what else could you want out of these? You get roughly $1,000. You can upgrade to Swift springs. You get the spanner wrenches. You get fully rebuildable, 1-year manufacturer warranty, 30 levels of adjustment. Brother, this is a great value for the price. And if you're interested in purchasing some BC Racing BR Series coilovers or any other BC coilover for that matter, check out the links in the description below. We've got everything you could want and more at vividracing.com. So make sure you guys check that out. We really appreciate it. And if you found this video informative, please hit that like button, hit subscribe, share it with a friend, and let us know in the comments. What do you think of these BR Series coilovers? I'm a fan. What do you guys think? Well, that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.